Boom. Got myself a new light, so hopefully should be able to see a little bit better. And I've also like adjusted the settings on my GoPro, so it's got a higher ISO, which means like the sensor is more sensitive to light, so hopefully things should look a little bit brighter, although there might be like a little bit more graininess in some bits of it, but it should be all good. All right, let's go. Man, feels good to be back on the bike. I love these night rides. And let's go through the level past the skate park. This is where I spent most of my time growing up. Well, actually it was in the old skate park that was just on the other side of this. But yeah, looks like it's pretty buzzing. It's a decent skate park. Oh. Yeah, good memory skating there. Right, let's go down London Road, see what's popping. It's crazy they've knocked down all the shit over here. Remember the first time I came past on the bus? It's been well confused seeing it not be there. It's very odd. Like when you get used to a certain layout of like a city or your walk, it's really strange when it changes. Right, so today we're going to go for a nice little cycle along the seafront, see what's going along there. It's a Sunday evening, so, and it's pandemic time, so I wouldn't have thought there's much going down at the moment, but there's still quite a few people out doing shit, which is good to see. I'm glad everyone's not just spending all of their time fucking inside. Damn, just remembered that I was gonna put up a fucking a speedometer so you can see how fast I'm going. Just thought it'd be a cool little thing to add on, but I forgot to start Strava, so let's do that now actually, and then we can pop up the speedo. Hopefully that'll work. Boom. Hopefully now should be able to see the speed, should be up there, and let's go through Pavilion Gardens. Should be a fun little mission. Yeah, Brighton's a really cool city to explore. There's lots of, those people are really fucked up. It's definitely one of like the more sketchy areas at night. But it's like people play music and stuff as well. So yeah, it's a nice little spot. be really fun actually to come down through on like a busy night. Oh shit, almost crashed. Yeah, be really fun to come through town on a proper busy Saturday night like it used to be before the pandemic stuff went down. So yeah, let's power up this hill and then we can go down West Street, which is the main place where we have like a load of bars and shit. But I don't know, probably not much is going to be open now on a Sunday evening. So, what time is it? 10 to 9. So it's not that late. Stuff can still be open till 10 at the moment. Cool. Let's see how fast we can go. So fun. Oh, that is fucking horrible noise. Oh, sorry guys. Love that. And now the seafront. Our little motorbike friends. Oh, look at this. There's one dude at the back on his shitty little moped trying to keep up. Savage. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. It's a little bit, I don't know, the point with this channel is I just want to express myself really and just share the things that I enjoy doing. Like my normal tendency would be to like set up a separate channel for just the cycling things and then divide up different ones for food. But I think it's nice to keep everything together and just have this channel as a expression of the things I enjoy doing, and hopefully like people who enjoy doing the same things or enjoy watching those things will like the content. Yeah, I've actually been quite inspired by Lex Friedman's channel, who's like he's an AI researcher, jiu-jitsu black belt, and he just puts out such a range of content of like all these some really interesting podcasts, but also he'll put out videos about him doing like workout challenges, little like videos about coding, and it's not like he's thinking about what's the way to finesse the YouTube algorithm, you know, what's the way to like maximize how many people watch your videos and how to make the most money out of it. It's just about kind of expressing yourself through that channel, and that's what he's doing, and that kind of inspired me to just put everything in together and yeah, just have fun, share the things I'm doing, because there's lots of things, you know, it's a lot of it is for me as well, the channel, because I found since I've been doing it, it's made me want to cook more interesting meals, if I didn't have a YouTube channel, I wouldn't have probably decided to go for this night cycle. So it's really pushing me to enjoy my life more and do things that would even be interesting for a video. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'm really glad that I started this channel, and yeah, like for a while since uni I've been trying to find like what I really want to do and how I'm gonna earn money. And yeah, I think I was kind of going about it the wrong way for a while, just trying out different projects that seemed to me like maybe I could make some money from them or whatever. But it was, I think some people can kind of just come up with a plan and just grind and grind. But for me, like, I enjoy the creative side of things. So I kind of come up with creative ideas for businesses, and like do the first part of creating the website and all that, you know, the fun stuff, and then kind of get distracted or overthink my idea and decide that it wasn't going to work out, so I should, or it wasn't the most efficient thing to do, or it was just boring, so I'd do something else. But the cool thing about now having a YouTube channel is that I can just, you know, each individual video is like its own challenge. It's its own little project that I can do, and then get a nice sense of completion from each video that I put out. And that's what I'm really loving about it. It's like I've, you know, finally found a way to, you know, utilize the skills that I have. And you know, I think the channel has been growing. I mean, it's only like 42 subscribers, but I really appreciate all the people who are watching the videos, and I'm just happy to keep doing it, because I'm confident if I keep on putting out content and improving, then it will just keep growing. And hopefully in the not too distant future I can be earning enough money from it so that I don't have to be doing like working in a restaurant anymore. That would be nice. Yeah, I'm feeling good about it, even though there's, you know, pretty uncertain times at the moment for a lot of people. But yeah, I'm blessed that I'm in a, well, let's get off the road, it's a bit loud. I'm blessed that I'm in a position where I can like create a YouTube channel, and I've got time for it. I can, because I'm only working part-time at a restaurant, so I can, you know, the time when I'm not working there I can put into making videos and improving that. So yeah, I'm very glad that I've got that freedom, and I just want to keep doing it. And hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy watching it. And yeah, I'm not really sure this has been the most interesting video. It's just kind of me rambling about what I'm doing and how I'm feeling about the future of this channel, and I guess my future in general. But yeah, I hope it's, I don't know, I hope at least some people are interested. But even if not, like I will still have had enjoyed this cycle and be glad that I've done it. So yeah, been trying recently to make myself as proud as possible of my days. I think that's such a great metric to focus on. Just for each day, how can I make myself proud of it? What things can I do that at the end of the day will make me proud? You know, if you focus on like what can I do that's just going to make me happy, then by the end of the day you might be, you know, sad that you stayed in bed like jacking off or watching YouTube videos or doing whatever, because that's kind of just the easiest thing to do. But trying to make myself proud of each day means that I'm trying to find things that, you know, I really am going to be happy that I did. And sometimes the things are going to be harder, like, you know, working out or going for a cycle when I'm still just chilling at home, and it'd be easy to just stay there and watch YouTube or something like that. So yeah, I'm very happy with this, just focusing on making myself proud of my day, and whatever that means, that's kind of the best that I can do for me and for other people, because that means being proud about how I interact with people and all the things I do. And it's a completely unreachable standard to be 100% proud of everything. There's going to be there's always going to be things that I can improve on, but it's a really nice thing to focus on, and it means at the end of the day I can go through and just think, like, what am I proud of from today? By reinforcing those things, it makes me feel better about my life and excited to do more of those things in the future. And it's very easy to just ruminate on all the negative things that have happened throughout the day, or things you should have done differently. And I think there's really is a place for that, to think of how you could have dealt with a situation better, like thinking about what things, you know, how could I have dealt with a situation that would have made me more proud next time. But yeah, just focusing on the things that make me proud. I think that means that I get more of those things in my life just from focusing on them. So yeah, let's go around this roundabout, which is a nice fun one. Can be a bit sketchy sometimes. I remember the first time I went around it, I was like, oh shit. It's good. Lovely. So, here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little cycle. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.